Hey YouTube, MinnesotaEric here. So today we are going to make some custom length battery cables. And I kid you not, the least expensive way you can go buy 6-gauge wire is to buy some long boat battery cables. I'm going to start chunking these things on up into shorter segments so I can connect a bunch of batteries up. So let me show you how I start to do this. Looks like a little less than half an inch, okay. Whatever you do, always start out with the dullest blade you've got. That way, there's a higher level of drama. There we go. Bingo. Whoops. All right. You know, if this thing had a little longer arm, it'd be a little better. It goes quick once you got all the tools out and you remember how to use them. I'm looking but not seeing. Oh, there it is. Oops. Hang on. Cooperate wire. Anyway, that's how you make custom linked battery cables. I will put links to the shrink wrap, to well, I'll put a link into Amazon's version of the same fittings. I got mine from Napa. No auto parts available, Napa. Kidding, they're great. And then I'll also put a link to this Amsdeal crimper with adjustable jaws. So anyway, thanks for watching, YouTube. Hey, if you like the content in this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, subscribe. I'll see you next time, YouTube. Bye-bye.